If you want to build a beautiful website quickly and easily, then you're going to love this tutorial. Today, I'll show you step by step how to install the Starter Templates plugin in WordPress. By the end, you'll be ready to unlock dozens of professionally designed templates, even if you're brand new to WordPress. Let's jump right in and get your Starter Templates plugin installed, using the simplest one-click method for the free version. First things first, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is essentially the command center of your website. If you've never logged in before, just type your site's URL plus /wp-admin at the end. Enter your username and password and you're in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the menu on the left-hand side. You'll want to find the Plugins tab. Plugins in WordPress are like apps for your site. They add new features and functionality. And Starter Templates is one of the most popular for speeding up website design. Hover over Plugins and click on Add New. This is where you can install just about any plugin you can think of. But today we're focusing on Starter Templates. Now at the top right of the Add Plugins page, you'll see a search bar. This is where you can search the plugin directory, much like searching the App Store on your phone. Type in Starter Templates and hit Enter. You should see a list of plugins, but look for the one developed by Brainstorm Force. It's got a distinctive, clean icon, and the publisher's name will help make sure you're installing the right one. If you see it, go ahead and click the blue Install Now button. It might take just a few seconds to download and unpack. Don't worry if there's a slight delay, that's normal. Once the button changes and says Activate, click it. This step switches the plugin on so it's ready to be used. Think of it like flipping the power switch on a new gadget you've just plugged in. Activated plugins go to work immediately, so you don't have to do any extra setup just to start exploring. Often, WordPress will work some magic behind the scenes and automatically redirect you straight to the Starter Templates library. If this happens, you'll see a showcase of many gorgeous templates, ready for you to start customizing. If you aren't redirected, no worries, sometimes WordPress likes to take its time. To manually find the library, simply head over to the Appearance tab on the left sidebar. Then click Starter Templates in just a couple of clicks. You'll be exactly where you need to be. And there you have it, just like that. You've installed the Starter Templates plugin using the easiest possible method. Now you're free to browse, preview, and import entire site layouts. This can save you hours of work and give your website a polished, professional look in minutes. If this walkthrough helped, make sure to hit like below. It lets me know to keep making these step-by-step guides for you. Have a question, or did you run into any hiccups along the way? Drop a comment and I'll do my best to help out. And of course, subscribe for more WordPress tips, tutorials, and website help. See you in the next video.